that GMO food, my dear Kangna Ranawat, is not going to be any good for your glowing skin or your figure. Now, if you don't understand that, I don't have anything more to say. ऋतिक के डैड के पास दुनिया जहान का पैसा था, बट आई थिंक अब आपके पास दुनिया जहान का पैसा है, तो आप अपना खाना कहीं से भी लेके आ सकते हैं, बट दैट्स नॉट द केस फॉर अ जनरल इंडियन हु लिव्स इन दिस कंट्री. Kangna Ranaut will be playing Indira Gandhi in her upcoming film. That's another thing that when I saw her picture portraying Indira Gandhi, I just felt कि उसने पूरे इंडिया का मैप अपने सर पे पहन लिया है. But that's maybe another discussion for some other time. So when I got to know that she is playing Indira Gandhi, there were two things that came to my mind. One was that it would be really interesting to see a person of portraying pure evil, because from her recent tweets, which are largely baseless and infinitely annoying, it's very clear that she is trying to make a very strong political stance and what kind of ideas she wants to throw for the other political party from which she will be portraying this character. And two, I actually genuinely was kind of confused about how I felt about this, because one, it was definitely something which would have an impact on her career. Now lately she has become so hateful and her whole image has become so vile, and she's always ready to fight with anyone whoever tries to say anything that she doesn't agree with. And now she will be going on to portray a character which she will show in an extremely bad light. So what is going to happen is, I think that she is going to do that role, she is going to play that role so successfully that people will actually end up hating her a lot. And when such an image is set for an actor, it's very difficult for that actor to come out of that image. So I think that people are genuinely going to start hating her, and she'll always be stamped as the character that she's going to play. So I think maybe it's a bad career move for her, but let us see. We also saw that how Anupam Kher played a very caricaturish portrayal of our previous Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, and without really understanding the things that he had done for the country and from where to where that one person had taken our country to, he just outrightly seemed to be making fun of the Prime Minister. And for some reason, it's not just me, I know a lot of people who have lost all respect for Anupam Kher. They have stopped watching his films, and he's really damaged his image, like, really badly. There was a lot of trolling happening for Kangana Ranaut as well on the internet. I saw a lot of people coming forward and saying that we want to play the role of the bodyguards in that film, who we all know ended up assassinating Indira Gandhi. And Diljit Dosanjh, who started this, it was quite funny to see, yeah, how the thing was rolling. But jokes apart, I think we need to understand that where one is coming from and why Kangana is doing whatever she is doing, and how strongly she is building up her roots in the politics, and then she is using her image to brainwash people and almost run a propaganda. Because most of us would have seen the exchange of tweets that happened between Diljit Dosanjh and Kangana, and how she had nothing to say, and she just kept saying over and over something which was totally irrelevant, just to tarnish the image of one particular sect in our country. And we already know her mother has joined politics, and lately we have also seen that how clearly she has made it very clear that she is not an ordinary citizen of the country anymore, and she is someone really very special who will get the highest degree of security when she asks for. Why I think whatever she says and does is extremely fake, because the way she is outrightly, without even understanding the issues at hand for the farmers' protest, she outrightly goes demeaning everyone who tries to say anything about it. I will put it very simply. If this bill happens the way it is supposed to be, we will all be forced to eat GMO food very soon, because that's where we are headed for if this whole thing happens the way it's meant to be. That GMO food, my dear Kangna Ranawat, is not going to be any good for your glowing skin or your figure. Now, if you don't understand that, I don't have anything more to say. And if you are so secure that you will be getting your food from some local places which you will be running because you have that kind of money, and now probably ऋतिक के डैड के पास दुनिया जहान का पैसा था, बट आई थिंक अब आपके पास दुनिया जहान का पैसा है, तो आप अपना खाना कहीं से भी लेके आ सकते हैं. बट दैट्स नॉट द केस फॉर अ जनरल इंडियन हु लिव्स इन दिस कंट्री. So I think that it's a whole propaganda that she keeps running, and she has this tendency to really poke you and irritate you and make you angry to say things, because that's the kind of person she is. She really builds everything on hate, and I really wonder where it's going to take her. And it's really sad, because she started her career so well. I remember watching her in Gangster. She portrayed a drug addict, which she admitted that she was at that time, and she had drawn all those inspirations from her real life. I think she did a wonderful job in that film. And a few years later, when Queen came out, I think she did a wonderful job in that film, and she was so believable as someone as innocent as the character that she played. But I'm sorry to say, I will never be able to see her as that innocent person ever, no matter what kind of prosthetics she might use. She has just ruined her image like that. And this also brings me to another idea that it's very important for actors to maintain this very fine balance of exposing themselves as people towards the world and not exposing them as well, because if you get a very strong image of a person who is an actor, you will always end up seeing that image that you've set in your mind, and then the actor will have a very tough time trying to convince that he's not that person but the character he's trying to play. Anyway, I think I've made my point clear, or if there was any point at all, apart from the fact that how irritating Kangana Ranaut is and how she can really get on your nerves. But it was a fun thing that I saw, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So that's all I have for you today.